Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing a P0078 code and you're experiencing engine hesitation, power loss, or rough idling? Ignoring this code can lead to serious performance issues and increased fuel consumption. In this video, we'll cover what P0078 means, the exact sensor location, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Let's get started. What does P0078 mean? The P0078 code stands for Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1. This means that the variable valve timing, or VVT, solenoid for the exhaust camshaft is receiving excessive voltage or is stuck in the high position. If the exhaust timing is off, your engine won't perform efficiently. Symptoms of P0078: engine power loss or hesitation, check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idle and misfires. Common causes of P0078: 1. A faulty VVT solenoid. The solenoid may be stuck open or malfunctioning. 2. Wiring issues, corroded, shorted or damaged wires leading to high voltage. 3. Low or dirty engine oil sludge can block proper VVT operation. And 4. An ECU malfunction. The engine control unit might be sending incorrect signals. Where is the VVT solenoid located for P0078? Well, let's break it down. First, the primary sensor location, the VVT solenoid for the exhaust camshaft, which is Bank 1, is usually found on the cylinder head near the exhaust camshaft. In most cars you'll find it on the side or top of the engine, pretty close to the valve cover. Next, the wiring harness location. The solenoid is connected to the engine control unit, or ECU, via a wiring harness. So, look for the electrical connector near the solenoid and inspect it for any damage. And finally, additional locations for some models. In some vehicles the solenoid might be under the timing cover or inside the valve train assembly. On V6 or V8 engines there may be multiple solenoids, one for each bank. Here's a tip: if you're unsure, refer to your vehicle's service manual, or look near the exhaust camshaft. Now let's move on to diagnosis and fix. First, check the engine oil. Ensure the oil is clean and at the correct level. Dirty oil can block the VVT solenoid, causing timing issues. Next, inspect the VVT solenoid and wiring. Look for oil leaks, dirt buildup, or broken wiring connectors. If wires appear corroded or loose, you'll need to repair or replace them. Then test the solenoid with a multimeter. Disconnect the solenoid and measure its resistance. If the resistance is too high, the solenoid may need replacement. If needed, replace the VVT solenoid. Unbolt the faulty solenoid and install a new one. Make sure the wiring harness is securely connected. And finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the P0078 code. Then take the car for a drive and check for improved performance. That's everything you need to know about P0078, Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1. If your car is struggling with power loss, rough idling, or poor fuel economy, check the VVT solenoid and wiring near the exhaust camshaft. For more car fix guides, watch these videos next. 1 P0198, Engine Oil Temperature Sensor Circuit High. 2 P0358, Ignition Coil H Primary Secondary Circuit Malfunction. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.